At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a gun company is a serious endeavor that involves navigating complex legal regulations, ensuring safety protocols, and understanding market demands. Here are some steps to consider. 1. Research and planning. Understand the firearms industry, including trends, competitors, and legal requirements. Identify your niche market. Are you focusing on handguns, rifles, shotguns, or specialized firearms? Create a business plan outlining your goals, target market, financial projections, and marketing strategies. 2. Legal considerations. Obtain the necessary licenses and permits. This typically includes a federal firearms license, FFL, issued by the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives, ATF. Comply with federal, state, and local laws regarding firearms manufacturing, sales, and distribution. Implement strict safety protocols and quality control measures to ensure compliance with industry standards. 3. Secure funding. Determine your startup costs, including equipment, materials, licensing fees, and marketing expenses. Explore funding options such as loans, investors, or crowdfunding platforms. 4. Set up manufacturing facilities. Choose a suitable location for your manufacturing facility. Ensure it complies with zoning regulations and has adequate space for production and storage. Invest in machinery, tools, and equipment necessary for firearms manufacturing. Hire skilled staff with experience in firearms manufacturing, quality control, and compliance. 5. Develop products. Design firearms that meet market demands and comply with legal requirements. Conduct thorough testing and evaluation to ensure product safety and reliability. Consider offering customization options or accessories to differentiate your products from competitors. 6. Establish distribution channels. Decide whether you will sell directly to consumers, through retailers, or both. Build relationships with distributors, retailers, and online platforms to reach your target market effectively. 7. Marketing and branding. Develop a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Utilize online and offline marketing strategies to promote your products, such as social media marketing, trade shows, and advertising in relevant publications. Emphasize the quality, reliability, and innovation of your firearms to differentiate yourself from competitors. 8. Compliance and risk management. Stay updated on changes in firearms regulations and ensure ongoing compliance with all applicable laws. Implement robust risk management practices to mitigate potential liabilities associated with firearms manufacturing and sales. Starting a gun company requires careful planning, adherence to legal requirements, and a commitment to product quality and safety. By following these steps and seeking expert guidance when necessary, you can establish a successful and sustainable firearms business. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.